the new motor's installed. Hopefully that works out. It's got fresh new motor there. It's got different wiring here, so I gotta redo it a little bit, but not a problem. Well, I re-glued all of that. You can see lots of glue on there. That was all broken to hell. It's all one piece again now. This one was cracked really bad, so I re-glued it, so let's hope it works. Well, this is what it sounds like now. And she's warming up in here. I still think that one's the AC, but just about figured everything else out about this thing. And it looks like this one's actually going to work. I felt the burner out there on the refrigerator and it felt hot. So it's got to heat up to extract the cold air from outside and put it inside, or vice versa, you know, extract the heat out. Cabinets are all looking okay. About the only other thing I got to do is the wife wants to paint, because the previous owners started tearing off all the wallpaper and stuff. There's nothing really wrong with that wallpaper. It wasn't the most beautiful, but there's no need to rip it off. But that's what they wanted, so that's what they started to do. Adjusted this one just now, leave a little bit of gap there so that they won't hit each other anymore. As long as the rest of them open just fine, you know. What do you do? What do you do? We're just about ready to go camping. Oh, that one's going to be readjusted. Ooh, that's a horrible overlap. I'll get that one here in a second. So, I'm going to go back here. Yeah, that all looks fine. Still don't know what to do about these two lights. They are not happy. And the rest of this stuff is done. I'm going to put a TV right here. Obviously somebody else already did. So, see how this all works out. Still got to take care of this here. This is still leaking, but we're 26 degrees outside right now. So it's not going to do us any good to try and seal it right now. Okay, so we got all these fancy little things here for the wash, or for the vacuum. I just turned on the power to it. It works. Noisy as hell, but it works. So I'll get a little vacuuming done, and then I'll go home.